Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel, where I help you learn how to speak Cantonese in a simple, practical, and fun way. Whether you're a complete beginner or just want to improve your everyday conversation skills, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to focus on how to say the names of different countries in Cantonese. These are very useful words for daily conversations, especially when you talk about where you're from, traveling, news, or making new friends. Before we start, if you find this video useful or interesting, please give it a like and share it with your friends who are also learning Cantonese. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any upcoming Cantonese lessons. Your support really helps the channel grow and allows me to create more helpful content for you. Alright, let's get started.
阿根廷
Argentina,
阿根廷 澳洲
Australia,
澳洲 奧地利
Austria,
奧地利 巴西
Brazil,
巴西 加拿大
Canada,
加拿大 中國
China,
中國 埃及
Egypt,
埃及法國
France,
法國德國
Germany,
德國希臘
Greece,
希臘印度
India,
印度日本
Japan,
日本墨西哥
Mexico,
墨西哥蒙古
Mongolia,
蒙古巴基斯坦
Pakistan,
巴基斯坦波蘭
Poland,
波蘭葡萄牙
Portugal,
葡萄牙俄羅斯
Russia,
俄羅斯西班牙
Spain,
西班牙瑞士
Switzerland,
瑞士土耳其
Turkey,
土耳其英國
UK,
英國美國
USA.
美國
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, share it with your friends, and hit subscribe for more Cantonese fun. See you in the next lesson. Bye.